In the ever-evolving world of technology, a groundbreaking innovation is transforming industries: polyfunctional robots. Unlike traditional single-task robots, these cutting-edge machines are designed for versatility and efficiency. So what are polyfunctional robots? Well, these robots seamlessly combine hardware and AI-driven software, allowing them to adapt to various tasks with ease. Thanks to their modular designs, they can switch functionalities. One moment a gripper, the next a welding tool. Let's talk about their key features. First, versatility. These robots handle tasks like assembling, welding, packaging, and inspection all in one unit. Next, modularity. Swappable components make it easy to reconfigure for different operations. AI integration. Advanced machine learning helps them improve and adapt over time. And finally, collaboration. Built-in safety features allow safe human-robot teamwork, enhancing productivity and workplace security. Now, where are these polyfunctional robots making an impact? In manufacturing, they streamline production, automate material handling, and monitor quality control. In healthcare, from surgical assistance to patient care, they redefine medical support. In agriculture, planting, harvesting, sorting, and packaging, robots boost efficiency while cutting costs. In logistics and warehousing, sorting packages, loading and unloading trucks, supply chains run faster than ever. And in construction, welding, drilling, and inspecting, these robots speed up building processes with precision. There are significant benefits to using polyfunctional robots. Cost effectiveness. One robot can replace multiple machines, saving money on equipment and training. Increased ROI. Higher utilization rates ensure a faster return on investment. Scalability. Suitable for small and large businesses. These robots grow with your needs. Efficiency. Working 24/7. They maximize productivity beyond human limits. But it's not all smooth sailing. High initial costs. Advanced technology requires a significant upfront investment. Complex maintenance. Keeping multifunctional robots operational demands skilled professionals. Ethical concerns. With increased automation, concerns about job displacement arise. Integration issues. Businesses may need infrastructure changes to accommodate these robots. So what does the future hold for polyfunctional robots? As AI and robotics evolve, these robots will become even smarter, more affordable, and widely adopted. From industrial automation to daily life, they will revolutionize the way we work and live. Polyfunctional robots are more than machines. They are partners in progress. By embracing their full potential, we unlock a future filled with innovation, efficiency, and boundless possibilities. The future is here. Are you ready to embrace it? Subscribe for more tech insights.